What is going on, guys? It's your boy Midas, and I'm back again with some more heat for you guys. So in this one, we're gonna be doing some more 5 minutes ab exercises. So this time is gonna be straight up just all kinds of hybrid plank variations. So you know me, man, I love hybrid workouts. I'm a hybrid athlete after all, so I chase after, multiple movement exercises. That's what I do a lot more of. So if you're interested in doing some more, 5-minute workouts, make sure to click on the link at the top of the screen right now. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join me on this ride. It's not an easy ride, but it's definitely well worth your time. So let's get to it, man. Let's do this. that's the second 5-minute, you know, ab challenge that I got for you guys. I don't know if you guys have already seen the first one. If you haven't already seen it, make sure to go in the description and there should be a link that you can click on to take it directly to the video. And that's the end of this one video right here. This one's basically straight planks, so it trains you on balance and holding your core the whole way through. So it's more difficult than the first one. I'm just gonna let you know that, and this is based on my experience. That's all I got for you guys in this one, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can be one of the first to get a notification whenever I drop a new video. And if you're finding it difficult to train your back and your biceps at home, all you're gonna need is some dumbbells, and go ahead and check out the video on the screen right now. And that's all I got for you guys, man. Midas is out.